Hi, what's up everyone? Today we're going to show you how to use your iPhone or iPad to scan documents without downloading any apps or purchasing any kind of scanner. Let's get started. Did you know that you can actually use the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad to scan documents for free? Let me show you how to do it. Let me start the recording first so you can see the screen on my phone. First, open up the Notes app and you will tap onto the icon with the square and the pen to create a new document. We'll just name this document scan test. And after that, you'll look for the camera icon above your keyboard, or if you have an iPad with a Bluetooth keyboard, the icon will be just sitting at the bottom. We'll tap onto the camera icon and it will give you three options. The first option is scan documents. That's what we're going to do. We're going to tap onto that option and it will bring up the camera of your phone or your iPad. Now you just need to find a piece of document. I have a piece of paper here right now. You see that when my camera is getting close to the document, it has a yellow square that is trying to highlight the document to scan it. So basically what happened is you don't have to align the piece of paper or your camera to make sure that the piece of paper or the scanned document is flat, and it will just do it for you once the page is in the view of the camera. So you can see that once the page is there, even if I'm at an angle, it will just snap and scan the document, and it will sit at the left corner of your document that it's being scanned. And if you do it one more time, it will just scan a second page. You might notice that I didn't even tap onto the shutter button, because after the scanner can detect the square or the rectangular shape of the document that you're trying to scan, it will just automatically take the picture for you and it will align it straight for you as well. That's the magical part of this. You have two options at the bottom. The bottom right has the option for you to save the documents that you have scanned. I have 2 pages scanned, so I have 2 pages. And if I tap on the Save To, it will just save the documents for me. And if I tap onto the bottom left to show all the scanned documents, I can check onto them and make sure that I have everything scanned. I can rotate them, I can add filters, I can crop them or retake them anyway. And I can tap onto the Delete button to delete them as well. But I'm just going to tap onto Done to save them. And I'll tap on Save at the bottom right to save the documents. Now the documents are saved inside my phone, as you can see. You can actually share the document by tapping onto the document itself and tap onto the share button at the top right corner with the arrow and the square, and you can share it as a PDF file, which is really handy. You can send it via messages, WhatsApp, emails, you can upload it to your cloud drives. That's pretty much how you can scan the documents and share them. That's it, just a quick tutorial to show you how to scan documents using an iPhone or iPad for free. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family to help this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.